Well, rainforests clearly are a very important biome in the global biosphere. They provide a multitude of services not only locally but globally. The Amazon, for example, is a key element of the global carbon cycle. It stores a huge amount of carbon. Even now, when the deforestation rates were increased in the last decades, it is still remain a carbon sink. So it's a very important element of the carbon cycle by its magnitude, stores huge amount of carbon. But also, and beyond that, the Amazon rainforest plays a very important role in the regional water cycle, and some say globally. And that is because the moisture in the Amazon is generated within the ecosystem. When rainfall falls, it falls on the leaves, the trees assimilate oxygen and carbon through the photosynthetic process, but it also exhales moisture, and that moisture goes back to the atmosphere. And if you look at a satellite picture above South America, what you clearly see is a river of water, moisture, clouds, above the Amazon, moving east to west, here in the Andes, depositing a lot of ice and rain in the Andes that provide water for all the population in the mountains, and then diverging north and south. The south branch irrigates the agricultural belt of South America, southern Brazil, northern Argentina, Uruguay, Paraguay. So on those two counts, very important. But also, from a biodiversity perspective, the Amazon clearly is one of the largest depositories of life on Earth. It probably has the largest concentration of vascular plants on Earth. It provides many services for other species other than mankind. And it also releases about 20% of fresh water into the oceans. So at a multitude of levels, the Amazon is a very important element of the global biosphere.